flying up over there a few moments ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably the last flying mission.
What do you mean?
There's a chute in the marsh there. Very dangerous.
A chute? What's a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the marsh, scare ducks into the air, while a second group with guns shoot them back out of the air.
People? Cat warned me about people.
The cat!
Yes. You see, I went off with this cat.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous cats are?
Well, she did, but the cat said he was my friend.
Don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Good dogs! We must be starting to shoot again. It's time for maneuver, and hope to put his contents by no option. All right, ladies! Company fallen! I didn't mean literally. All right, I'm fine. Now we are about to take part in an exercise of the like of which we have not faced before. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This definitely lost his mom. Bless him, and we're going to find her.
You're fine, body piece. And I know you will give up your best. Good luck, man. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles and gobbles, sure to find your home.
Broadway's clear. Prepare for takeoff, dear. We must play our part.
Hark at me, here's cabin lights are rather dim.
Toss away our air display. Must start. We're off on a wild goose chase. And a simple mission. That's on your farm. We're off and unless we're blowing the kingdom come, we won't be back until we've found your home.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear.
What? Cattails do not advance, Barnacle. One of the things they're most famous for is being ridden to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back, old cat!
Ooh, be still my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose. What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, cat. I'm in command around here. My squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling safe return to its mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will command maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party. We'll fly if we want to.
Silence!